All right, now for the moment of truth. Hey everybody, Sean here with Wickedly Awesome. Today I'm gonna show you the most epic chili that's guaranteed to win any chili cook-off contest. Let's get started. The first thing you're gonna wanna do is get a can of Hormel chili, and you're gonna wanna bring it up to a nice sturdy and steady boil, maybe for about 3 to 5 minutes. Next, you're gonna wanna do half a cup of this extra fine granulated sugar. And what that will do, it'll caramelize with the boil. Let it boil for about 3 to 5 minutes, and then add your next ingredient, which is the secret sauce. Introducing the gummies. First, you'll wanna soak the gummies in water, then you'll wanna generously apply some of this delicious Chugwater chili from Chugwater, Wyoming, all over it. After you get the sugar caramelized in the boiling chili, you'll want to add your Chugwater chili worms. Again, let it sit for another 3 to 5 minutes. You can touch it. If it's hot, it's good. Grab a bowl and have a bite and enjoy. That is phenomenal. So good. Come back to this post and comment below how gross this sounds, but how good it tastes. Thanks for watching Wickedly Awesome. Until next time, peace.